Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about very basic topic of Excel, how to create a drop down list in Excel. So by the end of this video you will be able to apply the drop down in against any table or column from lookup table. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, when you have the data like this, like region or countries, so you want to select the countries, whatever the country you want to select. So you have this countries list here. So what you have to do now, just select the empty cell here, okay, and go to data tab and this data validation tab and select data validation and click here and select the lookup table. Okay, so you can select the lookup table like this and the ignore blank would be selected, in cell drop down would be selected. So just you have to select the list and this range and click OK. You will see the drop down is available now. So whatever country you want to select, you can select here. And for this we have a shortcut key, so which is very easy. So let me just clear this now, and then let me tell you how to delete it. Yes, so just type Alt A V. Okay, let me write it down. Alt A V. Okay, so just type here Alt A V and any value and select list here and source this one. Okay, and click OK. So here is the drop down now. So just select this drop down and control D. So you will see the drop down is visible on whatever cell you select within the range. Okay, like this. So I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching this video.